Welcome. Today in front of me Google Pixel 6 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and here just find the sound and vibration section. Here we got all the media volumes, the call volumes, ring notification and alarm volume. You can adjust the volumes by the swapping with your finger to the left or to the right side. So also get here the don't disturb mode. You can turn it on and all the settings on of all disturb mode. You can choose your phone ringtone. You can just see of your medias. Here you can just turn off the vibration for your calls, ringtones, the SMS. For example, you can also change your notification sound on the alarm sound. We got here the turn on the dial pad tones. If you will just call to someone, you can hear your pad tones. Also, we get turned on the screen locking sound. As can you hear, we get the screen lock sound when you just blocked our phone. Also, we got here the touch sounds activated. Here when you just tap somewhere or open the application. By this way, you just can hear the your touch sounds. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.